Hello, I'm Mita. Welcome to the Mtsco Digital Human channel. Mtsco is a factory complexes for industrial pipeline. We have 4 major product divisions. And today we will introduce our seamless tube product to you. Mtsco seamless tubes have a highly guaranteed supply chain. Mtsco has invested in a factory, HUXIN Pipe, which has 35 years pipe manufacturing experience. Mtsco has reached a high strategic partnership with HUXIN, becoming the only international sales center of HUXIN. Fully responsible for the global sales and promotion of HUXIN. HUXIN has obtained the ISO/PED/AD 2000/M650 certificate and is equipped with a complete set of advanced production equipment, inspection equipment, and laboratory instruments, such as cold rolling machine, 24M annealing furnaces, pickled pool, ultrasonic eddy current integrated machines, etc. From production to quality assurance, protect your seamless tubes. The exclusive cooperation mechanism allows us to collaborate perfectly, increase order volume and production capacity, and provide you products with higher cost effectiveness. As a factory complexes supplier, Mtsco is proud of our diverse specifications of seamless tube. We can produce according to standards such as ASTM, EN, GOST, DIN, etc. And our materials covering austenitic, duplex steel, nickel alloy, cobalt alloy, etc. In addition to regular sizes, we can also customize according to your requirements. More capable of producing tubes up to 30 meters in length. 3 quality inspection processes ensure the quality of Mtsco seamless tubes. First, secondary inspection of raw materials. Our raw materials come from large factories such as Baostiel and Qingshan. Each batch of raw materials requires MTC and PMI. After the raw materials arrive, we conduct PMI and other inspections again to ensure that they meet the requirements. Second, traceability of the production process. Each process is equipped with advanced production equipment and is supervised by experienced engineers and technicians. Each link is supervised by professional QC inspectors and photographed for archiving. The entire process uses process cards to ensure accuracy and traceability. Third, 100% inspection before shipment. Mtsco has professional QC team to conduct a series of inspections and experiments on the tubes, including routine appearance, PMI, size, quantity, and other inspections. At the same time, we also conduct mechanical testing, hardness testing, UT, ET, HT and other tests. In addition, we also accept third-party inspection, such as SGS, TUV, and BV. Before shipping, we use appropriate and safe packaging methods and take measures such as container reinforcement to ensure that your goods are delivered to you in good condition. Mtsco seamless tubes have customers worldwide, and our tubes have been widely used in industrial construction in many countries and regions. Customers are also very satisfied with our products, providing a lot of feedback and praise, and establishing a large number of long-term and in-depth cooperative relationships. Why not starting from an inquiry? Feel the quality and service of Mtsco seamless tubes. Services: advanced, focus, efficiency. Mtsco brings you safe assurance and factory complexes supplier, meeting your desired high cost effectiveness. Contact us through the following website and email. Thank you for your time.